In the 8th lecture of probability theory, we discussed some properties of the expectation of a discrete random variable, defined the variance, and listed some of its properties. We discussed an interesting corollary of the expectation that says that the expectation of a linear combination of functions of the random variable results in the linear combination of the expectations of the respective functions. We then considered the case of expectation of a sum of two independent random variables and showed that this is the sum of the respective expectations by making the hypothesis that the random variables are independent. We then stated the definition of variance as the expectation of the square of x minus the expectation of the random variable. We also discussed some alternative ways to compute the variance. Note, however, that these formulas are not the definition of the variance, but only a quick way to compute it. Finally, we listed two useful properties of the variance.